Here's our engine right here. It's on the floor. We're just gonna go around what's going on with this engine. I've seen about a handful of problem already. Not a big deal, just a couple major one. So we could start from the turbo side right here. So you can see that there's that propeller, the intake side right there. There's a little bit of play when you move it up and down. There's a lot of oil and mud. Looks like mud and stuff, just like this one, just like that. And then the return line from the turbo going down to the oil pan, there's a leak right there. To me, I'm just gonna take out this whole turbo out, clean it up. And this is the back right here. This is dual turbo. This is where we have that pipe right here that was loose. Of course, one stud is broken. I mean, the propeller shaft on this one is a little loose as well. There's a lot of play. So that's a problem. Probably like about a 1 or 2 millimeter movement. Rear main seal. I know that there's leak down here on the frame as well. So the rear main seal looks like it's brand new. It's hard to tell, but we're gonna replace the rear main seal. On this one, it's leaking. We're gonna have to put a brand new one. There's nothing going on in this side. Yeah, there's evidence of oil right here. I'm guessing that's from the power steering reservoir right here. See how I know this is a problem already before, so probably from leak right here, and then it drained to the harness and down to the oil pan right here. So just gonna have to take out this harness, clean it up, make sure that get a good wire loom. And then up here on the top, the injectors and the fuel rail, I'm gonna have to take out this harness. See how all this extra connector right here is all covered up with tape because no use anymore. So yeah, I should tape stuff that I don't need. Okay, this one for sure I need this one. Okay, so we have to clean this up here. It's like evidence of condensation right there, wet spot. I'm gonna have to take this out and then replace the seals. That's pretty much it. The main thing is the turbo, and then the rear main seal is next, and then the fuel line system, and then I think that's about it. There's nothing going on in here. I was debating of taking the whole block to a shop. I get like a street port or something like that, or bridge the port to get that brop sound. So we'll see, but that's in the future. We'll see how it goes. So that's a lot of work. Harness clean up right here. So all the way to the front, there's nothing wrong with the front. It's all nice and dry, but we're gonna have to clean all this up. So stay tuned. Next couple videos, we're gonna strip everything down here to the bare block and clean all the parts. All right, so before I take out this harness, we'll do a walk around what's been plugged in and what's not plugged in. So you can see that this is the rat's nest right here that they're talking about. Okay, all this connector, I tape it down so that I know that I'm not gonna be looking around for sensors and switches, because those connectors right there is you don't need to find anything else to connect. All right, so this one right here, this is for your throttle position sensor. This one is for your actuator, for your idler actuator. And this one right here, I believe is for your intake sensor. And there's the ground goes like that. And then the last one right connector is for your O2 sensor right there. So that's about it, guys. That's about it for this harness. So now it's let's quickly take all this harness out, and we're gonna start trimming everything out all the way bare to the block. Everything. This one, accessories, turbo, lower intake, everything.